What's up, hungry people? My vegetable garden is pumping out more tomatoes and zucchini than I know what to do with. So I'm trying to get a little creative when it comes to using up all the fresh veggies and herbs I have in my kitchen. Today, I made a very simple Caprese Benedict with an herb-infused hollandaise sauce on a zucchini fritter. It's all the fresh flavors of summer packed into one filling meal. Traditional Eggs Benedict uses sourdough English muffins or crumpets with ham or bacon, but for our base, we are going to be making zucchini fritters. First, shred the zucchini in a food processor and then use a paper towel to blot up the excess moisture. Season the shredded zucchini generously with salt and pepper. Then add plain panko breadcrumbs along with garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and a single egg. Stir it all together until the panko has softened and absorbed some of the moisture from the zucchini. Let the zucchini mixture rest for about 5 minutes to further let the panko breadcrumbs soften. Then form the zucchini mix into palm-sized patties. Fry the zucchini in a shallow skillet of vegetable oil until the zucchini fritters are golden brown on both sides. Keep the zucchini fritters warm. I set my oven to 160 degrees Fahrenheit and kept them on a tray in the oven while I made the eggs and hollandaise. Bring a shallow pot of water to a simmer over medium heat. Then whisk in 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. This will help keep the egg whites intact while cooking. The hardest part about Eggs Benedict is the timing, because several elements have to be going at once in order for it all to be done simultaneously. While the water comes to a simmer, make minute hollandaise. Crack 4 egg yolks into a tall cup for an immersion blender. Then add in fresh squeezed lemon, pinch of cayenne pepper, herbs like basil, thyme, and oregano. Melt the butter in the microwave until it reaches 220 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Use the immersion blender to whip the egg yolks, lemon, and herbs until frothy and pale. Then pour in the hot butter in a slow, continuous stream until the sauce has doubled in volume. If your hollandaise sauce is too runny, don't worry. We'll thicken it up once we've finished poaching the eggs. If you've never poached eggs before, here's a simple trick. Use small custard bowls or glass bowls for each egg and carefully drop them into the water until they are fully submerged. For the best results, grease each glass with some cooking spray before cracking in the egg. Cook the eggs for 3 to 4 minutes for runny yolks and 5 to 6 minutes for soft to hard yolks. Use canning tongs to remove the poached eggs from the hot water, letting the excess water pour out the top of each bowl. If the hollandaise needs to be reheated or thickened, you can make a quick impromptu double boiler to finish cooking the hollandaise to your desired consistency. The longer you cook, the thicker it will get, so I cooked mine for about an additional minute before removing it from the heat. Quickly assemble each warm fritter with fresh mozzarella cheese and a slice of garden fresh tomato. Loosen the poached egg from the cup with a spoon and carefully pour the egg out on top of the tomato slice. Then just pour on the hollandaise sauce until your heart's content and garnish with a pinch of cayenne pepper and a fresh basil leaf. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if this recipe made you hungry, and subscribe for new recipes that I post every week. Follow The Starving Chef on Facebook to keep up with my daily blog posts, and head on over to thestarvingchefblog.com to find step-by-step instructions for this recipe and many more. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll talk to you soon.